Wow, such a beautiful landscape. जब इतना क्लोज टू नेचर कॉलेज हो और ऐसे नज़ारे रोज देखने को मिले तो यहाँ कौन नहीं आना चाहेगा। You know, college provides us with so many memories that we will treasure for the rest of our lives. और कॉलेज कैंपस इतना बड़ा और खूबसूरत हो तो लाइफ becomes even better, right? Yes, if you are wondering about to find a college with lush green campus having an aesthetic feel and lots of picturesque spots in a mountain valley, then you hit the right spot. Welcome to Uttaranchal University.
Uttaranchal University was established in 2013, having 12 schools excelling in different academic fields with a boarding facility holding around 3,000 plus students. It's spread over 70 acres surrounded by endless greenery. Uttaranchal University has been recognized by UGC and it is the first private university of Uttarakhand to be accredited with prestigious NAC A+ grade. So let's find out what this university has to offer.
As you can see this amazing campus, I've already made up my mind to explore it more, its structure and everything. So let's meet the Vice President of this university to know more about it. Hello sir.
Hello.
It's a pleasure meeting you, sir.
Same here.
Actually, I was sightseeing the campus and I'm really amazed by this university.
Yeah, first of all, we welcome you to the Uttaranchal University. We are the first NAC A+ accredited university of Uttarakhand.
That's really great.
Yeah, how can I help you?
So, can you just tell me some insight about it?
It's better you go and see the university yourself.
Okay.
Explore the various departments, the various activities of the university, and then definitely once again you come back and then we can have a more detailed discussion.
That sounds nice. So we'll see you shortly.
Thank you.
Come, let's explore this campus. Hello ma'am.
Hello beta.
We are just exploring the campus today. My name is Nikita. So if you don't mind, could you accompany us for some time?
Why not? Come. What do you like about the campus? What do you want to know?
Ma'am, first of all, the campus is really nice. The environment is very friendly. So you have spent n number of years here. So you're the most experienced one, I guess. So आपने काफ़ी बच्चों को यहाँ से pass out होते हुए भी देखा होगा. So my question is, what observations have you made about the campus, or what changes have you seen in the academic life of the student?
See, I joined this institution somewhere around 15 years back.
Okay.
And that was a time when it was just 3 basic colleges. In year 2013, all these 3 institutions were merged as an university. And since then, just in a short time span of 10 years, this university has transformed as a NAC A+ grade university. Rather, it was the first university in state of Uttarakhand. And affiliations from various competent bodies is there. Parallelly, if I tell you, like, our focus always was on to producing the excellence of the students. Normally what happens, students themselves shy to speak.
Okay.
They actually want to do something, but they don't know what they can do. So that is the motto of my university, which says excellence within you.
That's great.
So we support our student in those parameters. The placements has improved. If I talk about the infrastructure, it has extended from year 2009 till date. We were just 3 colleges.
Okay.
Now we are 12 different schools under the big umbrella of Uttaranchal University.
That's a very nice growth.
With all the type of programs which you ever can think of. Starting from engineering to health sciences to computing sciences and law. It has started raining up. So let's take a ride in buggy.
Sure, ma'am.
Nikita, if I tell you, for the success of a student career, there are few things which are very essential. The first is the academics. So at Uttaranchal University, our curriculum is so well designed, that is why we are able to give them 360 degree of learning. And that 360 degree exposure helps them to progress in every aspects of their life, because of which ultimately they turned out to be a well-groomed professionals which are very good at heart. So they are complete human beings. Looking at the national flag. Yes. This is one of the tallest flag in state of Uttarakhand.
Oh wow, that's great. So we have talked about a lot of things. So एक question है, that's the most common question, that placement बच्चों की आगे लगेगी या नहीं, that's the main question.
I definitely understand. बच्चों का सबसे बड़ा, पेरेंट्स का सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न होता है placements. Trust me, our students are shining at every corner within the country as well as across the globe. We have the representation in most of the courts of country. Our students have cracked in the judicial services. So placement, when it comes to be, don't be afraid of. You definitely will be placed upon your capabilities in the right field of your choice at the right organization. Thank you so much, Mukesh Bhaiya. Come. बहुत ऑनेस्टली बताऊं तुम्हें निकिता, हम लोगों के टाइम में ना बच्चे किताबों से बाहर नहीं निकल पाते थे. Now the students are well aware and the universities have opened up to an extent that students are involved in research activities too. My students are able to publish their research articles. So that's the best part. Chalo, good. It was nice meeting you.
Really nice.
God bless you.
Thank you.
And explore it now further. Thank you, beta.
Wow guys, it was really a fantastic performance. I was really mesmerized for a couple of minutes. Well done guys.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
So how long have you been singing? Just tell me something about your journey.
So my name is Shubham. I am an alumni of Uttaranchal University. I passed out in 2019. Or I've been into music since I graduated, I guess, and that's been the best gift of graduation to me. अब मैं अपने गाने लिखता हूँ और बच्चों के साथ बैठ के यहाँ जैमिंग करता हूँ कैंपस में.
Very nice. तो आपको कैसा लगता है यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट? आप स्टडीज़ के साथ कैसे मैनेज कर पाते हो म्यूज़िक एंड ऑल?
तो यहाँ का एनवायरनमेंट काफ़ी अच्छा है और जो टीचर्स हैं यहाँ के वो भी काफ़ी हेल्पिंग है. मतलब मैं यहाँ पे जब आया था तो मतलब मेरा म्यूज़िक पैशन है, तो उस चीज़ में यहाँ का मुझे लगा था कि फैकल्टीज़ जो होंगे वो हेल्प नहीं करेंगे इस चीज़ में कि हम लोग कल्चर भी इतना जा रहे हैं, पर वो करते हैं हेल्प काफ़ी. भैया जब मैं यहाँ पे आया तो मतलब मेरे को भैया मिले, रिपू भैया मिले, सब मिले, उन सब के साथ जैमिंग का बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
तो मतलब स्कोप काफ़ी है,
काफ़ी अच्छा.
वेरी नाइस. सो इट वाज नाइस मीटिंग यू ऑल गाइस. मैं कम इन सर?
आइए.
Good morning, sir.
Hello. Hi, Nikita. Have a seat. So Nikita, you have seen the Uttaranchal University.
Yes, sir.
How do you like it?
First of all, I visited the campus. You were absolutely right. This university deserves NAC A+ grade. I like the ambience here, the atmosphere of the campus. The weather is pleasant. Of course, the beauty of Dehradun. There is a kind of tranquility here I observed, which I truly appreciated. And secondly, not only from the academic point of view, but if we talk about the extra co-curricular activities, this university is excellent in all the fields. Definitely, sir. I met a couple of students here, and they were all brilliant, and I got positive reviews from them. Also, the faculty members here are very ever friendly faculties. जैसे अगर किसी student को कोई problem है, कुछ पूछना है, तो they will not hesitate it, and this builds a kind of student-teacher relationship, which is very necessary. And overall, I truly enjoyed it, and it's a very nice experience, sir.
That's good. And you know, the Uttaranchal University always work for the return on investment. In India, education is an investment of your parents, and we assure you that the university work for the success of the students. Thank you.
That's it from Uttaranchal University. Have a great going.